Good morning again, gentlemen. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel, Juliet Alpha Bravo. This time, we are departing Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Okay. We are
At the station, let's go after 9. Yeah, let's go after 9.
let's go from this one. This is our route. This is our route. Going to the next port. And like this, I will show you. Like this.
1-1 forward. Forward.
Here we are, yeah. And also going there. I cannot shoot. This time, there is my handsome pilot, my helmsman here. My other teammates is outside already. We are singling up now. This time.
P5.
Once again, this is my junior cadet. This is my senior cadet. This is my training captain, and my shipmate is already
now, sir.
on the wheel, on the control panel. Okay.
Forward, let's go ahead. Go ahead line, let's go ahead line. Dead line on deck, 1 spring remain.
P5 na, P5 na. P5.
P5.
Hayaan mo nakasandal yan dyan. Mamaya ka na bumuka pag nakabuka ka na dito. Hindi ka bubuka dito pagka ano.
Check po ba, sir?
Runner P5 now, sir.
Hindi lalayo yung pupa mo. Pagka may hangin, hindi ka masyadong bumubuka, dagdagan mo mga plus 8 o kaya plus 6. Plus 7, Chip. Huwag kang titingin kung saan. Huwag mo bitawan yan dyan, pero pupa. Mayroon in-charge doon sa telegraph. May in-charge telegraph, mayroon sa butras. Huwag ka dito pipikit. Huwag ka pipikit. Distance, full distance. Sige pa. Mag 2 meter.
Additional 2 meters. 2 meters.
Ano yung pitch mo, Tip?
Plus 7, sir.
Sige, okay.
Bow stop. Still in P5, sir. Another still P5, sir.
Lagyan mo na 1 bow to starboard.
1 bow to stop. 1 bow to stop.
Huwag kang hiwalay ng tingin dyan. Huwag kang hiwalay ng tingin yan. Yung mandok ka, kahit saan, busis lang yung mandok. Huwag kang hiwalay ng tingin dyan. Para alam mo kung nabuka o nag-stop yung buka. Slack 2 meters.
2 meters spring.
2 meters only.
2 meters slack spring forward. 2 meters slack spring forward.
Plus 7 ahead.
Okay na. Pwede na. Let's go.
Let's go straight.
Forward, let's go spring.
Last line,
Let's
Ken.
go spring. Let's go spring forward. Spring.
Ayan. 0.5 plus.
Ariyan mo. Hirap. Kita na yun. Hirap yung nagbubuhat. Hindi ang area.
Spring line, custom.
Siya normal yan kasi matatalo siya sa ano. Pero pag palagi ka lang nakaport,
Another still P5, sir.
pero kung hard ka lang, kumaabante yan. Kasi port nakaganon yun, hindi masyadong abante. Tutulak ka lang dito. Kung hard lang yun, sige ang ligo mo, sige ang abante niya. Tatansay mo na sobrang 10 meters yan. 10 meters yan, walang problema. man, di pa.
Wala.
Di pa.
Fix ko magagaga.
That's our maneuver, yeah. On here. Yeah, then we'll be doing this one. And